Alright, PHC, we about to get out the building today. So, like I told y'all, I added that leveling mix in here. It's drying up nicely. Filled in a few of these spots to make sure that, you put this carpet down, you walk over it, you ain't feeling no, these little voids and whatnot. So, did all that nicely. Out here was a little bit different. I needed more of a build up and not so much for it to be level. So I'm guessing whatever this building used to be before the people moved in. Basements have a slope for drainage, but since they remodeled it, we don't need that. So I just removed the slope and made all of this level. So once all of them, let this dry for overnight. And when I come in tomorrow, we're going to go ahead and start putting this carpet in here and this hardwood in here. Y'all enjoy y'all day.